recording. Go ahead.
We're here live at Evolve SF Gallery on 24th Street. Our walls are as plain as can be. Yeah, we're excited for the next show, next wave. New things coming. All beautiful, excellent, great things.
So what do you envision here now that the walls are blank and we have a blank canvas to work with again? Can you give us a tour of what you expect to look, or how you expect it to look soon? Starting with this wall over here to your right.
Well, this wall has always kind of been like the wall that we like to highlight art.
But I know you said you wanted to do something with this front space right here.
Yes.
Right?
So the next thing I kind of want to do is I want to introduce installations in our windows. And I want to use this whole front space and our window space to create installations. We're also kind of switching out the way that we kind of do our art shows. So we're hoping to work with like a cohort, probably for like a year, right? Or more. A cohort of certain artists and kind of rotate art every few months. And I want to like come up with like cool collaborations for the installs for the window.
Okay, cool. And then
Paper mache and stuff.
And over here, we're hoping one artist could take over this wall. Hopefully, like maybe around 6 to 8 pieces here.
You know what I just did?
Over here, we're gonna use these shelves to display some custom sweatpants we print here, and probably some hoodies on this side. Over here, we have the light switch, and this is a little pulley system for the backdrop over here. I was hoping for this art show we do when the artists come to drop off their artwork. I was thinking of having them also do a photo shoot that same day when they come and drop off the art.
That's a great
So maybe we should let the artists know, hey, like when you're gonna drop off the art, be ready for some pictures that we're gonna take in front of the backdrop. So then, so going back to these shelves, we usually put some sweatpants and some hoodies there. This is a little space that we could put another little shelf or something. Over here we have our neon sign. Over here we put another little shelf. This is space we use for art right here. This chain right here, we put a bar and we put our clothes there. We're thinking about lowering the bar down here so that we could put more art up here and have a bigger installation there. Some floating shelves where we put smaller pieces of art right there, and here's our big logo. And over here we have another space for some art. This whole wall will use some art, and here is kind of where we want to put like our price list or our business cards and stuff like that. Over here we will put a monitor display, and here is Talia showing off her new canvas. No, not canvas. What is this?
tote bag.
It's a tote bag made out of
Canvas material.
It's canvas material, but it has a pattern on it.
Yeah, and then I did like I played around with like the stitches. Can you see the floral stitch?
I can.
This is just a sample. This was just like kind of my sample, get an idea how I like the fit. I'm probably gonna make the pattern again with the straps longer and maybe the body of the tote a little bigger and with lining.
Cool.
But new tote bags coming soon.
All right, and that's it for today.